Since you clicked on this video, I assume that you would like to learn how to make the soap with the seaweed. I use my absolutely usual recipe, which I make my most soaps with, using the same additives. I add the citric acid and sea salt to my live water. Sea salt for the hardness of the soap, and citric acid for the protection from the soap scum in your soap dish, and also it makes it more bubbly also in a hard water. And I like how it acts in a soap. It really reduces the soap scum. I wouldn't say that it completely eliminates the soap scum, but it's much better. It doesn't leave your soap dish so dirty and hard to clean. And as you see, I use the ice cubes for my live water to reduce the fumes. And here comes all my hard oils: coconut oil, my cacao butter, and my shea butter, which I will melt. I have started making soaps instead of cacao butter. I started using coconut butter, and you can exchange actually almost one for one. I will talk in other videos more about that. And these are my soft oils, my liquid oils: neem oil, castor oil, and olive oil. I mix them with the coconut milk for richness, for creaminess, and then some ground gluten-free oats. And here comes my kelp powder, and you see I mix it in the oils. I added quite a lot. You can add less or more, as much as you want. I think it will not change much, and it's a really nice additive. It gives a slight color. You will see it doesn't make a very strong color. If this kelp powder, I added to some other soap. I added also the seaweed powder, other seaweed powder, and that made soap quite much darker. But just a pure kelp powder, which I grounded myself from the kelp weed, it doesn't give a whole lot of strong color. In a batter it seems green, but when you put it, the soap cures, then it's quite light. But it adds a really nice quality to the soap. The soap is, it's not scratchy, but it's exfoliating, but exfoliation kind of soft, nice, very pleasant exfoliation. And here comes a tricky part. You don't overmix. You shouldn't overmix your batter. I edited out quite a lot of blending, but I over blended it a little bit. You will see at the end it started accelerating very, very much. I had a little bit of difficulty getting into mold. I would suggest you almost underblend a little bit. Don't blend as much as you think you need, because it's kind of liquid, and then suddenly it butts, and it's not liquid anymore. It starts getting really pudding-like. You see, it was blending really nicely, and then you will see when I will start putting in a mold, it will be already like very thick pudding. See. It was even a little difficult to put it in that little sample form. See how thick it is already. But I successfully got it into mold, and I didn't have any air bubbles or gaps when I was cutting it. So it's still soft, but it's accelerating quite fast. Very, very fast. I successfully got it into mold. You will see how it's accelerating, still more, but it will be fine at the end. So if you would like to support me and show your appreciation for my video, you can put thumbs up and subscribe for the video if you would like to some content more like this. That would help for the YouTube algorithm to distribute this video to the more people. That would be really, I would be really grateful if you would do that. That would be really nice. So everything got into the mold. Everything to the last little bit. And the soap came out really nice, you will see. And I didn't tell you that I used the essential oil mix from Mystic Moments called Water, and it complements the kelp soap really nicely because the kelp has natural fragrance to it, which doesn't go away completely, but together they make a really nice fragrance. It smells like a salty seawater. And that's it, that's the end. That's how the soap looks, and see you the next time. Ciao!